Hi everyone, welcome back to Job4freshers. So HAL is recruiting for the post of non-executive cadre. So the salary you will be getting is about 22,000 to 23,000 per month. Experience is not required. Freshers can easily apply, and the job location is Karnataka. So total 58 posts is there, and the last date to apply for this application is 24th May 2023. So let's see the eligibility criteria. For the fitter, apprentice certificate is required, and for the electrician, apprentice certificate is required. So for the store commercial and admin assist, any degree that is BA, BSc and BCom can easily apply. And for the post of accountant, BCom can easily apply. And for the civil, diploma in civil is required. For the technician, diploma in electrical engineering, that is electrical, electronics, telecommunication, electronics and communication, instrumentation, electrical and telecommunication can easily apply. And for the mechanical, diploma in mechanical is required. And for the assistant, you should have a diploma in computer science. So let's see the total vacancies. For the fitter, 29 posts is there. For electrician, 9 posts. For the store commercial and admin assistant, 4 posts is there. And for the accountant, 2 posts is there. And for the civil, 1 post is there. And for the technician, electrical and mechanical, total 11 posts is there. And for the assistant, 2 posts is there. So the age limit is maximum 28 years for the general category and EWS category, and there is a age relaxation for SC, ST and OBC category as per the government norms. So for more detail, you can refer the official notification. So let's see the salary. For the fitter, electrician, store or commercial and accountant, you will be getting is about 22,000 per month plus HRA, DA plus medical expenses. And for the civil and technician and assistant, you will be getting is about 23,000 per month plus HRA, DA and medical expenses. So the selection process. So the selection process will be based upon the written test, and the duration will be 2.5 hours. It will consist of general awareness, English and reasoning, and from the concerned discipline. So how you can apply for this application, just scroll down and click on apply here. So once you click on apply here, you will be redirected to the official website of HAL here. From here you can download the official notification by just clicking here to know more about the vacancies and everything in detail. So if you face any difficulties, here you can see the instruction to apply online. And here click on the register to apply online. So here you can fill out this information, generate the OTP and fill out this number and click on register. Okay, so if you find any difficulties in filling up this application form, or if you had any other question, you guys can comment it below, or you can message me on Instagram. I hope you find the job rate useful. So for most of the videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss the video. Like this video, share this video with your friends, and I will be back with another updates. Till then, take care, stay safe and bye bye.